Ooh ee ooh ah, ting tang, balla balla bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, tang, balla balla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, ting tang, balla balla bing bang.
Hey guys, it's Ashley from Miss Skill Be Fit here, and welcome to TikTok Thursday. We're going to teach you a few moves and break it down together. So today we've got Taylor, Faith and Laura. They're going to join me. Alright, so we're just getting the screen together. So we'll break down the first move. What we have is the left hand over the mouth, and we're going to lean left, then lean right, roll your arms, and throw your hands back. Do you think you can do that? Yeah. Alright, so let's go. Left, right, roll, throw it back. We'll do that one more time. Left, right, roll, throw it back. So when the music comes on, it's going to be a little faster. So it's going to be a bit more like ooh, ee, ooh, ah. Yeah, we think we can manage? Alright, so we'll go with the music. Are we ready? And go.
Ooh ee ooh ah, ting.
Beautiful. We'll do that one more time. Do you guys need me to call it out, or you think you've got it? You've got it? Alright, ready, set, go.
Ooh ee ooh ah, ting.
Beautiful. One more time. Ready, go.
Ooh ee ooh ah, ting.
Beautiful. So we'll add an extra move to that. So after here, your hands will be here. Bring them down your hips, and you're going to slide right, slide left. Then you're going to jump, head to the front, head to the front. Now you're going to do 5 pops. So it's going to be 1, 2, stand up tall, and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. So we'll try that one more time, starting from the slide. Ready? Slide, slide, jump, jump, head, head. 1, 2, stand up. 1, 2, 3. Yep. One more time. All right. Are we ready? Slide, slide, jump, jump, head, head. 1, 2, stand up. 1, 2, 3. All right. So we'll try that with the music. This time we're going to do the whole thing. So we'll start from the left, right. Are we ready to go? Ready, set, go.
Ooh ee ooh ah, ting tang, balla balla bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah.
Beautiful. That's all right. We're just learning. All right. So after that, you're still going to be here. Now you're going to put your hands up and jump to the front. Beautiful. After that, you're going to go right, roll your arms, left, roll your arms, up to the right, up to the left, hands at your chest, push, push. So we'll do that from standing side on again. We'll start with our arms up. Twist to the front, arms down, right low, left low, right high, left high, hands at the chest, pop, pop. All right, we're going to do that one time. It's going to be a bit faster though. Are we ready to go? Ready, arms up in the air. Go, turning around, down, right, left, pop, pop. Beautiful. So now we're going to do the whole thing with the music. Think you guys can manage? Yeah. All right, so are we ready to go? We'll do it slow this time, and then we'll do it fast with the music. Ready? Go. All right, now with the music, it's going to be really fast. Are we ready to go? Ready, set, go.
Ooh ee ooh ah, ting tang, balla balla bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, tang, balla balla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, ting tang, balla balla bing bang.
Good. Do we need to do it one more time? Yeah. I think so. Should I call out the moves?
Yeah.
Alrighty, are we ready to go? It's really quick. Ready, go. Left, right, roll, arms, swing,
tang, balla balla bing bang.
Go,
Ooh ee ooh ah, tang, balla balla bang bang.
Beautiful, guys. So we're going to put that all together. We're going to practice one more time. You guys are going to add the music. Are you ready, guys? Yeah. All right.
Ooh ee ooh ah, ting tang, balla balla bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, tang, balla balla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, ting tang, balla balla bing bang.
Excellent. Thanks, guys, for coming in today and learning our TikTok. Can't wait to see you next time.
Ooh ee ooh ah, ting tang, balla balla bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, tang, balla balla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah, ting tang, balla balla bing.